Hello, how are you today?
Hello, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing fine, thank you. My name is John, and you?
My name is Jayesh.
Hello, Jayesh. Nice to meet you today. And where are you from?
I'm from India. Have you
Okay.
heard about India?
Yes, of course I have. Yes, it's a very big
So have
country.
have you ever been in India?
I have not been before, no, but I would like to visit. I love cricket, and I love the sport cricket, and I love Indian food as well. So I would love to travel in India one day. But
Okay.
I did. Yeah.
I have one question for you.
Yes.
Whatever you are speaking is not written on your screen. So can you visible that for me?
Uh, can you say that again, please, Jayesh?
So whatever you are speaking, right? Whatever you are speaking, your subtitles. I want your subtitles on the screen.
Okay, let me just see. How do I put where is subtitles? How can I put that on? I'm not sure about that. I wait a moment. Hmm. Jayesh, I don't. I'm not sure if I can put
Okay,
subtitles on.
okay, okay, okay. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from England, and
England. Okay.
I'm English, and my city is called York. I put in the chat box. Okay, I am,
York. York.
yeah, I
Okay.
am from Yorkshire. I can put in the chat box for you. Sure, I am from Yorkshire in England.
This is your city, right?
Yes, it is. Yes, this is my
Okay,
this
okay,
is my city in England. It's very old city. It's not big, not big like London. It's quite small.
okay. It's a small city in England. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay.
And which city
So,
are you? Oh,
okay. In India, I'm from Maharashtra state. Maharashtra state. Uh, have you ever been? Have you heard the Mumbai? Mumbai,
I I
Maharashtra.
have. Yes, I've heard of
Yes.
Mumbai. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm from that state, Maharashtra state, and the city is Nagpur.
Okay.
Nagpur. Yeah,
Nagpur.
yes,
Okay,
yeah.
Jesh.
Mhm.
Great, great.
So,
Okay. Yes.
what you like to do means what you do? What you do? What do you
Yeah.
do?
Okay, so I'm an English teacher. I'm an English teacher at school, at a secondary school.
Okay.
I'll put in the chat box. I'm an English teacher and I work at school and I work online as well. I have two jobs. I work in school and
Mm-hmm.
I work online. How about
Mm-hmm.
you? What job do you do?
Yeah, I'm in private sector job. I'm in BPO, business
Oh,
process outsourcing.
very good. And
Yeah.
why do you want to practice English?
Yeah,
What is your
actually I have one YouTube channel. So yeah, hello. Am I
Yes,
audible?
yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, so I have one YouTube channel. So I have 50 subscriber over there, and I
Okay.
want to increase my English knowledge so I can teach people as well. I
Yeah,
also want, yeah, I want to be an English trainer.
yes. Very
Yeah,
cool.
so
Yeah. That's great. Yeah. Well, your English sounds good to me. I think you have good English. So,
th-
but yeah,
thank
it's
you,
very
thank you.
yeah, sure, no
So
problem.
whatever I'm speaking, you are convey, right? You are understand it, right?
Yes, I understand you fine. Yes, of course. Yeah, it's
Okay,
quite clear.
thank you so much.
No, it's fine. And Jayesh, what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies?
Hobbies, I can say reading the books and
Yes,
spend time with my family. And
yes,
I love to make videos, English
great,
videos. Yeah,
great.
and upload it on my YouTube channel. So I love to do that.
Excellent. Very good
Yeah.
idea. And what kind of videos do you like to make?
English lessons. English lesson.
Yeah.
All about English lesson. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I
So
understand.
one thing I want to know from you that when to use the. Too much confused about the the
About the again,
the
please.
an article, definite article, the, you know, when to use the. I'm so
Okay.
confused. Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah,
The
please
the
make me understand.
okay, let me try. So the we're talking about the article the, yes?
Yes.
So now you can article, let me put in the chat box the. Let me just check this is what you're asking. So yes,
Yes,
you
yes,
want
yes. Exactly,
okay,
exactly,
okay,
exactly.
okay. Now, when we're talking about something in general terms, like I want to eat an apple. Let me give you, I want to eat an apple. Now, I want to eat an apple. Now,
I want to eat an apple. Okay.
if I say I want to eat an apple, I'm not telling you which apple I want to eat. I'm just saying in general I want to eat an apple. I don't
Okay.
care I don't care which apple. I just want to eat an apple. Do you understand?
Okay.
Now, if I was to say I want to eat the apple, this is what we call this is what we call a specific article. And what I'm doing, I'm no longer talking about uh, I want to eat the apple, say on the table. I want to eat the apple on the table. So instead of saying I want to eat an apple in general terms, I'm choosing one apple,
Okay.
a specific apple that I want to eat. So there's only one of them. We call this the specific article using the instead of a or an, which we say generally. If we're choosing only one, we can say the. So you can use that for anything. I want to buy a Honda car, or I want to buy the Honda car in the showroom, or when you are being specific about a single thing that you want, you would use the as a specific article. So do you
Okay.
understand? Yeah, do you understand the difference? What I've explained there?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I got it. I got it. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
yeah.
When
No,
we
it's
speak, yeah, when we specific for one thing, single thing, so we will use the article. If we are not specific with a one single thing, so we will use a and n, right?
exactly yes. So that's for singular. Now, there's one more thing that you need to know, which is that also when you're talking about anything in the plural, so the apple, when you're talking about plural, like apples. So I apples when you're talking about plural, once again you use the as well. You use article the. So you so singular use the sorry use the plural for plural. So use the for plural. I'll put in the chat box. So also, so as well, this is why it gets confusing. This might be why you get confused, Jayesh, because there's two ways you can use article the. One is for the specific article that we talked about, and also when you're talking about things in the plural. So you would never say, I want a apples or I want a cars. you would always say, I want the apples or the cars, because we're talking about them in the plural. So there's two things you need to remember from what I'm explaining to you. When you're talking about something specific that you want, use the. And when you're talking about things, nouns in the plural, use the. Is that okay?
Both the time we are using the, right?
Yes, that's why it's confusing, because that it has more than one use. It has its singular use, which is
Okay.
specific, and it has
Mm-hmm.
its plural use, which is all of the time. It doesn't matter. It's not specific, but you just use it plurally. The When you're referring to any noun in the plural, or you'll use the. Okay, so the people. It could be a person, but you would be talking about the people because people is more
Okay.
than one. Or it could be
Okay.
a person or the person because you're talking about a specific person. Do you understand, Jayesh? So
Yes, yes.
yeah,
Actually, I got it. I got it.
yeah, good. Yeah, good. It's not, it's just practice. So just remember, branch off. There's one use for for singular, which is specific when you're talking about
Mm-hmm.
something specific, and there's
Mm-hmm.
another use for plural, which is when you're talking about plural nouns. So there's two uses, but that's why
Okay.
people.
Okay.
That's why
Only for plural in we will use the only for plural nouns only, right?
yeah, yeah. Generally speaking, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Only for nouns we can use plural in the or in anything we can use in plural the.
Uh, well, no, yeah, you can use it. You can use the for other plurals as well. But when you're talking, a general rule is when you're talking about plural um, nouns, then you use the. But you don't. You can use the when you're talking about other words as well. So yeah, you can do, yes, yeah.
Okay, okay,
But
okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Got
yeah,
it, got it,
that's fine,
got it.
Jayesh.
So, oh, how
Yeah,
is the weather over there? How is the weather?
changing a lot. It has been cooling down over the last month or so. That it is predicted that in December,
So,
that
you said that you are from England, right?
yes, from Yorkshire, yes, yes.
Yeah. So, is it rain there or not? Is it rain there?
No, not today, but it rains. It rains
No,
just about.
no, no. Generally asking. Not
Oh
now.
yeah,
I'm not
no,
asking. Generally
yeah.
asking. Is it rain over there or not?
A lot, yes, is the answer. It rains a lot,
Okay.
yes. And it's very grey. It's not that sunny. It's very grey weather. But in the summertime is very nice. England is a beautiful
Okay.
country in the
Now,
summer.
now their weather is cold weather, right?
Yes, correct.
Yes. And what is the time there right now?
The time at the moment is 6:48 in England.
6:48 morning or evening?
Sorry, 8:48 in the morning. Sorry, I'm getting confused now. I didn't look at my clock. 8:40
8:48.
morning, yes.
8:48 morning.
Yes.
Okay. And
How
here
how
is,
how about you? Yeah.
yeah, 1:18. one
Oh,
eighteen afternoon.
oh, cool. Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
Jayesh, we come to the end, so we're coming close to the end. So I give you a bit of feedback before we finish. Is
Yes,
that
yes,
okay?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Please, 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 please.
Yeah, so your English is very good. You have a good level and a good understanding of English. So I think it's great that you're having your YouTube channel, and definitely, you know, when it comes to explaining things like the articles, take your time, because with English, there's so many different ways things can be used. So
Yes.
but I think it's great, definitely it's really good to keep practicing with native speakers for conversation. So that's great. So
Thank you
Have a
so much.
yeah, have a great day, and it was nice to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Bye bye.